Hello everyone, are you ready to Shape's party song? Let's go!
La 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 la. Welcome to CocoBerry. Circle, circle, round and round, rolling, bouncing on the ground. Circle says let's spin and play at CocoBerry's party today. Spin, spin, clap your hands. Shapes are dancing, take a stand. Jump and move, shout hooray. CocoBerry shapes all day. Square is strong with 4 straight sides, like a box where toy car hides. Square says clap your hands with me. 1, 2, 3, happy as can be. Spin, spin, clap your hands. Shapes are dancing, take a stand. Jump and move, shout hooray. CocoBerry shapes all day. Triangle goes up so high, pointy top up in the sky. Triangle shouts, jump, 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 bounce around and thumpity-thump. Rectangle is long and tall, like a door or a wall so small. Rectangle says, dance with flair. Shapes are parting everywhere. Circle, square, triangle, 2, rectangle joins the fun with you. Shapes all shout hip hip hooray. CocoBerry kids learn shapes today. La 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 day. Bye bye from CocoBerry fight.